Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Bitget Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Bitget Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bitget Wallet application. The home page of Bitget Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on Logout. Confirm logging out of your Bitget Wallet's account by tapping on Confirm once again. This is how you can log out of your Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.